You can't stop the tears from falling down.
It's me Zoya and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go shopping for my birthday dress, but I'm sounding like I'm in a hurry because I am, and my mom is waiting downstairs. I'm wearing the jeans that I wore in the video that was called My Instagram Followers Decide My Day for My Life for a Day. What am I saying? And I'm wearing this shirt that says Day Tripper. I'm not sure what that means, but let's go. So guys, I think I already said that I'm going for my birthday dress shopping, but the thing is that I'm not sure if I'm going to find anything because I've already looked up a few dresses on Shein, but I'm still gonna try. And there's only one place in Patna where you can actually get good clothes, so I'm going there and I'll see you guys there. The video that actually made me happy from my heart, so it was I think in August that my skin cleared, so wait, I was thinking that I could find some stuff at Cover Story, but that is not necessarily true. I also love Kazo only, and wait, maybe Van Heusen, I'm not sure about that. Guys, my mom picked out this dress and it seems like a very good idea. If you see, that dress is very long, so that's the thing about that, but the dress is pretty nice. I think I like the way it's shiny. What about that one? Do you like that one? So guys, I'm extremely bummed at this point because I did not find a dress for my birthday, and it's exactly in 14 weeks. So if I order online, there's a chance that it's not even going to come in time for my birthday. But I did find some really awesome clothes for like normal awesome clothes. I found a pair of flared jeans, which is very 90s, and I found a twin set. So that's a good part, but I'm very bummed right now. I was really hoping that I could find at least something over here because I bought my birthday dress from here last year and it turned out pretty good. So that's sad, and that's why I'm bummed. That's the story to that. But I might do a haul when I go home, so you guys have to remind me. I'm just kidding, how do you guys remind me? That's okay. But also guys, on another note, watch my video that I uploaded today. It's on my channel. So guys, I came home a couple minutes ago and then I was just going through the stuff that I got, and I got a twin set. I think I told you guys about that, and what I observed was that the top in the twin set was missing. So you guys know a twin set is completely useless without a top. No, I'm just kidding, it's an exaggeration, but obviously a twin set isn't as pretty as it is with the top rather than without the top. So I was very disheartened about that. So I guess I'll have to go again tomorrow in order to get the top, but that was the last piece left and it was in my size. So I'm really hoping if I don't get the top, I'm going to return the bottoms as well. I'm tired right now, so I think I'm going to eat my dinner and watch some Netflix. Okay guys, so I'm back in my room after watching TV for an hour. But the thing is that my room is very messy because I had my exams going on. So I'm just going to show you guys something. Because of the exams, this area is very messy. And over there, I keep my camera. So I have like this little bag over here for my camera, and I have another camera bag over here. So two of them go there. Then there's ton of clothes on my bed. There's this random notebook lying here. There's slippers and shoes on the floor. This part also doesn't look exactly organized. Then my desk, oh my god. I have a lot of supplies for my exams. I have some really disorganized stuff over here. So I just need to organize my room. The thing is that I'm so tired. My legs cannot move because I guess because of walking around in the mall the entire day, my legs hurt so bad. But I also have this weird kind of thing with me that I cannot sleep in a disorganized place. So I might as well just sleep in the guest room today rather than sleeping here, because it's just weird. I'm crazy when it comes to this stuff. So I will try my best to clean this, and I'm actually not comfortable sleeping in the guest room because I'm scared of ghosts. But I will try and clean this right now, and then I will change for bed. It's around I guess it's around 9 o'clock right now. It's exactly 9 right now. So I'm gonna try completing this at around 10. And I'm gonna put some friends. I'm gonna put Friends on my TV while I clean my room, and yeah. So guys, I organized this part. I almost cleared out that part. I put some of the books over there, and this part looks very empty right now because I removed a lot of my school books from there, and the ones that I've already studied from and the finals for these subjects is over. So I'm gonna get rid of this. But there are some important books over here, like there's some maths and science book, and there are some books that I might need for next year. So I'm going to keep maths and science notes and maths and science books, and I'm going to keep the SST books, but I still have the SST books over there. Why are these guys building things up at 9 p.m. at night? This is illegal, people. I'm just kidding. I'm not sure if that's legal. Who cares? It's almost done. My bed is also halfway done. The only thing that is not done at all is my desk, so I'm going to get started on that. So guys, we're making progress. Kind of done with the desk, kind of done with that. Mostly done with the closet, just a little bit of clothes on my bed. But what am I going to do is I'm going to change into my night suit right now, because this is getting very uncomfortable because I want to sit on the floor and do everything. So I'm going to change into some tights. Maybe the top is just going to remain the same because I can totally... Uncle, will you please stop? So this can totally work as a night suit as well, the top that I'm wearing. But I'm gonna just put on some leggings or tights, whatever you call those, down, and that's what I'm gonna do. And plus I also got rid of all the books that were here. The books that I needed for now are just kept under my chair. But I'm gonna put a place for them in that basket. I have to take out my 8th standard books from there. I always keep last year's book for reference. That's just one weird little thing that I do. So that's that, and I'll talk to you guys after I change into my night suit. So guys, it's 11 o'clock right now. I procrastinated the entire time on my phone. So right now I'm just gonna do my face cleansing and stuff. I'm not gonna show it to you guys because you guys have seen it like a million times. But after that, I'm just gonna go to bed and I'll continue this vlog tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? So it is the next day, and today I am going to find the twin set of that clothing that I left yesterday. I think I told you guys the story. So I'm going to the mall again, and after that I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's just go to the mall for now. I am going to show you guys my OOTD later if you guys are interested in seeing that, but I'm super duper late as usual, so I'm just gonna leave right now. like the food over here. That's the good part about it. Yeah, see, you know, there's a place called the Chocolate Room, and I love the pizzas that they have over there. The pizzas that they have in that room. It looks very full right now, so I cannot go there if there's no table. But I think we'll sit here and order the food. But I don't like these places because this is not cute. That is the cute part. Oh no, I find it two-seater there. Come on. So guys, after going about for a lot of time, we are here in this place called Chocolate Room. I love the pizzas that they make here. It's actually a barbecue pizza and it has really good aesthetic, and it's all brown, so I think that symbolizes the chocolate. It might make sense, maybe not. So I got home like 15 minutes ago and then I was resting a little bit, but now I'm fully energized to do something good. So I think I'm gonna edit these Instagram pictures that I clicked today, and I also clicked some with Huji Cam, which was really amazing. It because I'm wearing like yellow, so like yellow is a very retro color for me. I mean, yeah, it's a weird thing that I do. I speak nonsense, just ignore me when I do that. So yeah, so that's that. So I am very confused if I should upload the Huji Cam pictures or if I should edit those myself. So I'll do it right now. I'm not going to show you guys the editing process because later in the future I might do a full how I edit my Instagram pictures and how I take my Instagram pictures. So I might not show you guys, but I'll show you the final outcome. It's later, it's around 6:30 right now, and I'm actually going for a movie. I did vlog a little bit, but the footage wasn't good, so I don't think I'm going to include that. But yeah, going for a movie right now. I think it's Luka Chuppi, Kartik Aaryan and Kriti Sanon. Super excited for that. I'm not taking my vlogging camera because I don't think that they allow that in movie theaters. So I'm just going to vlog on my phone. Guys, I just came home from watching Luka Chuppi. It was a really good movie. It was very funny with a little unrealistic end, but really good. So what am I going to do now is I'm going to remove all my makeup and then I'm going to go to bed because I'm really tired, and I might read a book for a while. And tomorrow I have a really early start because I have to start studying really hard because I only have 7 days left for my exam. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah.